In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to empty Google Photos trash. If you want to permanently remove deleted photos and videos from your Google Photos account, this process is very simple on a computer. Just keep in mind that once the trash is emptied, those items are usually gone for good, so it's a good idea to make sure there's nothing in there that you may want to restore before you continue. To get started, open Google Photos on your computer. You can do this in your web browser by going to the Google Photos website and signing into your account if you aren't already logged in. Once the page loads, you'll be on the main Google Photos interface where you can browse your images, albums, and other saved content. Next, look for the Collections section in the Google Photos menu. Click on Collections and then choose Trash. This area stores the photos and videos you've deleted recently. Google keeps these items there temporarily before removing them automatically, which gives you a chance to recover something if you deleted it by mistake. Opening the trash lets you review everything that is still waiting to be permanently deleted. Once you're inside the trash, select all of the photos and videos you want to remove. If your goal is to completely clear the trash, make sure everything in that folder is selected. After that, click the option to empty the trash. Google Photos may show you a confirmation message before it finishes the action. This is normal, and it's there to help prevent accidental permanent deletion. Confirm the action, and Google Photos will begin permanently deleting those items. After the process is complete, your trash should be empty. This can help free up space and keep your account organized, especially if you regularly delete unwanted images and want to make sure they're fully removed. A quick tip before you finish: if you don't want to empty everything, you can also manually select only certain items in the trash and delete just those instead. But if your intention is to fully clear it out, the empty trash option is the fastest method, and that's all there is to it. That's how to empty Google Photos trash on your computer.